Oh!
Yeah, right?
No. No, I'm falling back in. That hurts so bad.
Catch your back?
No, it was my knee.
Oh.
To the floor joist.
I'm ready to go. You ready to go?
Can I come?
Yeah, why not? Get in the back. See you later, George.
See ya.
Later, dudes.
Hey, Derek.
Hey, George. Oh, whoa, hey, fancy seeing you here.
What are we doing today?
We are at a customer's house. I was out here on Monday. They have a crawl space in the floor, hatch in the floor that opens up. Water heater is not working anymore. Was sitting in the water, fried the electrical elements. So we are going to install a sump pump in that pit. We're gonna take out that old water heater out of the pit, which is gonna be fun.
Did you bring your rain boots? Your booties?
Nope. I do have muck boots though.
Nice. All right, good luck.
We're not both fitting in here, that's for sure.
No. Big guys in a little hole. Just like that Chris Farley movie.
Tommy boy. He was in a little coat though.
Yeah.
Damn. Just lost my flashlight. Was a good light while it lasted. Water heater's draining down now. We're almost ready to pull it out.
There you go.
Ain't gonna be easy, my man. What I want to make sure is that the float will kick off before this thing ever overflows, you know? Maybe that's what we're gonna do is set the block in the corner over there.
Yeah.
I hope it's high enough. There's a piece of 1.5 inch in the truck.
Yeah.
New 10-footer. You can grab that, and we'll get the pump piped up at least. Take that case and just put it on top of this for now. No, the big heavy case.
Oh. Sorry.
Just put it on top of the wire for now. Thanks, guy.
I don't have my thinking cap on today.
I know. What else to do? Thanks, Kayla, for the boots. See these right there? Otherwise, it'd be a wet day, and I'd be angry. Real angry. It's all coming together now.
Yeah.
George, let's find a hole saw. I'm putting you to work now. Clock's ticking. We need a hole saw that's gonna fit this. Ooh, you're getting closer. Okay, keep going. George is good. Come on, George. Get the dustpan, dude.
Stop telling me what to do. You are a very bossy engine.
That's right, George has his own job. I thought you were here to help.
Blues fly because he's the draining guy. And then there's Derek.
Got him. Wow.
He did you dirty.
Yep. Damn jerk. Hey, Derek, can I come film you? No.
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 I do appreciate you guys.
You tied in?
Tied
Okay.
in, not crimped.
Crimp all your 90s?
Yep.
With the exception of what's going into the top of the heater.
Okay.
Louie-o, where'd you go?
We went to the trunk. Saw it go.
Mr. Rhyme, this ain't rhyming hour.
I do one little roast. Now I get my head bitten off.
Yep. I'll teach you.
Listen, I am not nice, I am not kind, and I am not wonderful.
Don't say I never helped you, Derek.
Don't talk to me. Okay, so water heater's starting to fill. We are going to need this and this. And some 3/4 pipe for our relief valve.
We are live.
George, you're gonna stay in there?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to get wet?
He knows his business. Right.
Okay.
What's up there, dude?
What's up? Your sponsor?
Yeah, man. The official, unofficial drink of service.
Yeah.
We got the old water heater out. We had groundwater the entire time, which was nice and refreshing because it is a little warm out today. New water heater in. We relocated it up out of the pit so it's not sitting in water anymore. We put in a sump pump. We ran a drain line right down to the crawl space where that sump pump is. So if the water heater leaks, it goes right down there. Everything's up and running. Good
Nice.
day.
Yeah.
That's a wrap.
See you guys.
If it fills up, we can pump it out now.
It's gonna do it on its own now.
Thanks for helping us get it going.
No problem.